Hi and welcome back to Appsmoment.com. We continue to provide different video tutorials and lessons regarding how you can start and grow your app business. Today we are glad to present about new new feature in 2.0 Builder, which I believe also will help you in your app business. And that is special review model, which will ask your users to go to and leave feedback for your application. So let me show to you what do I mean by that and how you can use it. So for example, here is a demo of that, what I mean, and this is where users will ask to be redirected. Then it is going to Google Play Store and user is leaving feedback, for example, and some feedback review regarding your application. Okay, so let me show it to you where can you find this feature. So you need to go to 2.0 Builder, then you need to select your application or create new one and go to your application to the features section, and all you have to do is to find this review feature and add to your application. Now you can customize it and use it for your application. So as you can see, it is really very easy to use it. Again, let me show to you how it will look in real application. So user click it, then you can customize message to user and it will be redirected to your application in Google Play Store, and the users can leave feedback for your application. Basically that's it. We are going to provide new lessons and new tutorials very shortly, because new cool models and features are coming into our system. Meanwhile, thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye for now.